Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace all the front light bulbs in this Peugeot 206 from 2006. So we're going to start with the side light bulb first, which is a 501 bulb. As you can see, it's hidden up here in this little corner. You just have to twist the connector clockwise to pop it out. And then it's just a simple matter of pulling the old 501 bulb out and replacing it with a new one. Then all we have to do is put the connector back in and twist it anti-clockwise to secure it in place. Next up, we're going to be replacing the indicator bulb. This is a 581 bulb in an amber colour as the lens is clear. This is quite simple. All you have to do is twist the connector anti-clockwise and it will pop out. Then as for the bulb, all you have to do is just press it in and twist it and it will pop out. Then finally just reverse to fit the bulb back in. And then all you have to do is put the connector back in, which can be a bit fiddly, but once you get it in the right place you'll be fine. And let's give it a gentle twist clockwise, it will pop back in. Next up we have the full beam and dip beam. These are hidden behind this plastic cover. All you have to do is just pop it off, as you can see me do in the video. Then to remove the dip beam first, all you have to do is wiggle the connector off the light bulb, which is a H7 by the way, and then release the metal spring clip. These can be quite tricky and quite fiddly. As you can see here I struggled a tiny bit, but once you do, just pop them off and they flop out and then the bulb will come out, and then you do is do the reverse to refit. So as you can see me doing here, I'm just popping the bulb back in. And then putting the clip back up and then reconnecting the connector. And the full beam bulb is pretty much the same as the dip beam bulb. So first of all you have to remove the connector and then the spring. Be careful with these, they can be quite delicate. And then it's just a matter of removing the old bulb and popping the new bulb back in. Once you have that back in, it's just a matter of popping the clip back up and then putting the connector back on. And then finally we have to replace the plastic we removed earlier. This will stop water ingress. And now we've changed all the front bulbs on this Peugeot 206. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.